Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Advanced Excel for Visually Impaired. This exclusive series is only available on our official YouTube channel www.youtube.com/accessiblecomputing. Do like, share, subscribe for more videos like this. In this video, we will discuss about VLOOKUP. Ratul Desai from Accessible Computing. Let's jump in. In this video, we will discuss about HLookup. Ratul Desai from Accessible Computing. Let's jump in. HLookup stands for horizontal lookup. When you do VLOOKUP, you look for vertically, or I can say you search for an data, you fetch an data vertically. But in HLookup, you will do the same horizontally. So in VLOOKUP, we will work column wise, but in HLookup, we will work on rows. Here I have taken one data,
item A1,
item, and below item,
price A2,
price. So first row item, second
price.
row price.
Item A1,
So your data should be look like this to get the best results of HLookup.
headphone B1,
Headphone, below headphone,
price 100,
price
B2,
100,
item speaker C1,
then speaker,
price 500,
500,
D2, item
and
charger D1,
charger,
price 350,
price
D2,
350. So we will take a new sheet,
shift F11, sheet 2, M,
and then this sheet 2, we will write the HLookup formula. Before writing, we need to create the column,
blank,
sorry, we need to create the row header or row title, because we will work on rows. So first row item,
item enter,
and
blank,
second row is
A2,
price.
price enter, item A1, blank B1,
So here we will just type the item name, and
price blank B2,
below we will see the price. So here we will write the formula of HLookup. Press F2.
F2, edit, blank, type and
So here I have just
2, 2,
opened
3,
the characters.
escape, I price, blank B2, F2, edit, escape, item, blank B1, item A1, blank, price,
Okay.
F2,
So
edit,
here
blank,
I am typing
blank,
the formula equals HLookup
cap HLOOKUP,
left parent.
left parent,
So in the time of VLOOKUP, we use a lookup value. So here we also use the lookup value. So in our case, the lookup value will be B1, not A2. In the time of VLOOKUP, we search data according to our column, but in HLookup, we will search data according to our row. So above row is our lookup value row, or above row, above cell, the cell where we are typing the formula. Above that, we want to write the lookup value, or we want to get the corresponding value. So that's why we'll write B1,
B2, 2, 1,
sorry, B1. Then I'm pressing comma.
comma,
Then in the VLOOKUP, we enter the sheet name. So same here, as we are doing this in the same workbook, different sheet. So we need to enter the sheet name.
SHASS, caps lock HEET, 1, exclaim,
Sheet 1 exclaim, then comma, sorry, there is no comma. So in the time of VLOOKUP, we use the column numbers, or column, we need to mention the columns like A colon C, A colon D, A colon F, or B colon G, B colon F. Okay, so here we will mention the rows. So here we have only 2 rows, and we want the data from second row. That's why we use 1 colon 2. If you have 5 rows and you want to fetch the data from fifth rows or fourth rows, you need to use 1 colon 5. Okay, so I'm entering 1 colon 2, then comma. Here I want here you need to give the row index. In the time of VLOOKUP, we have given the call index, and here we need to give the row index. So lookup value, then sheet name, then this lookup array, then we need to give this row index for the time of HLookup. So row index is 2,
2,
then comma,
true approximate match, true approximate
then
match,
0,
0,
for true approximate
Right parent.
match. Okay, so this is the formula. Let's check once.
home, 8 equals HLookup, left parent,
HLookup, then
B1, comma,
the lookup value.
S8EET 1, exclaim, 1, colon, 2,
This is the sheet name, then lookup array, then
comma, 2, comma,
this is the row index,
0, right parent,
then true.
lang,
So I'm pressing enter here.
enter, lang, B the price, number n slash A,
Nothing
B2,
is here.
item, lang, B1,
So in item, I'm typing headphone.
HEDEONE, enter price, item, headphone price, 100, B2,
Okay,
enter,
100, right?
item,
So above, I'm typing charger.
GAR, enter price, 350,
Price
B2,
350. So this is how you can easily fetch any data using HLookup, and it works horizontally. I hope you've learned a lot of things in this video, and this is a very important chapter of Advanced Excel. By the way, still if you have doubts, you can ask into the comment section, and if you want to get classes from our academy, one-on-one classes, special classes, so do not forget to visit our website. The link is given in the video description below, as well as I provide the link at the first comment section. So please visit our website and you can register any course, and we will help you in your education journey. If you find this content useful, please like this video and share this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to get more useful videos like this. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care. Thank you for watching.